Hello friends, a very big news in the pre-IPO market has come, and that too for Reliance Retail. And we had been dealing with Reliance Retail in the pre-IPO market for the last 3 years, and now it's the biggest run-up that is going to come in next 6 months. As news items are to be believed as on this day that most probably Mukesh Ambani is going to announce in the AGM of Reliance Industries this year the IPO for Reliance Jio Private Limited and Reliance Retail Venture Private Limited by December 2022. Yes, we are expecting December 2022 be the listing date for the Reliance Retail as well as the Reliance Jio. So what does this mean for an investor? This means for an investor that if the IPO is coming up, would you wait for an IPO date to come and then apply and then see whether they are allotted to you or not? But how the HNIs and ultra HNI investors do things that they buy these stocks way before the IPO comes in, and this is the right and prudent time for the last leg of such opportunity to come. Now, the news item is that the Mukesh Ambani is looking forward to raise around 50,000 crore to 75,000 crore in each of these two companies, Reliance Retail as well as Reliance Jio, which is around $6 billion to around $10 billion of the IPO. If we believe on these numbers, it is not going to be only alone Indian listing, it will be a global listing because Reliance Jio is expected to be listed in the Nasdaq, and they are just waiting for the Ukraine crisis to mellow down before they could file the papers. Now, when we talk about financials and the valuations of the company, you would be shocked to know that Reliance Retail itself is around worth 8 lakh crore because of the top line of around 1.75 lakh crore if we go for FY 2023 figures. Now, if we go for Reliance Jio numbers, it is around 7.5 lakh crore, which is around 40 to 50% of the EBITDA values. Reliance Retail itself is having at around 14,500 retail stores, one of the dominant e-commerce players also. And when we talk about the main valuation, the Silver Lake itself had taken around 1.75% stake in the Reliance Retail for that matter, which was around valuations of around $57 billion. And I'm talking about September 2020. And when we talk about the market capitalization aspect of Reliance Jio, it is one of the biggest mobile operator companies, having 450 million subscribers globally, if I may say, which gives its 11.5 times of the EBITDA valuations with around $99 billion of the valuations. Now, these companies are there, and it is a very right and opportune time to book the Reliance Retail shares. And if you, in case you feel like having one in your portfolio, please do contact me or our team. We would be very happy to get these booked for you. Thank you so much, and stay invested and stay happy. Thank you so much.